House for sale in Punta Barco Viejo, Panama. List price $510,000. The house has a swimming pool and nice garden. The total lot size is 2,868 square meters, and the total finished area is 300 square meters. Outdoor living at its best.
I feel my heart for the first time. 'Cause now I'm moving.
Master bedroom and bathroom.
I'm moving on.
Bedroom number 2 and bathroom.
And there's a place that I've dreamed of.
Bedroom number 3 and bathroom. The kitchen.
I hear the sound
Family room.
And lose all sense of time.
The house is close to Playa Teta.
I'm moving far away.
Invest in your next beach home in Panama. Contact us today to arrange a visit.